All right, guys, back in another video. Man, we got people. Look, I'm sorry y'all got all this noise going on. This is a video on the tutorials to show you guys how to play games in your Toyota Camry. Right now, I'm in a 2020 Toyota Camry SE, and you can play games in here. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. All right. Step one: make sure you got your fake credit card that Toyota's supposed to be. I was just playing, but seriously, on a serious note, all you have to do is just go to menu, go to Android Auto. All right, so you're finna go here, put this button right here. All right, and what you're gonna do next is you see Game Snack, right? So you should get this message when you hit Game Snack. Like, let's see, I got games down here. I thought the message was gonna pop up. It's not gonna pop up yet. So we'll just choose, I don't know, unblock that. And it should say not available while driving. But look, you're in park, right? I'm not driving. So here's the issue. This is what you need to do. See over here? Right here? This is the emergency. I know I need to clean this. This is the emergency brake. You need to push the emergency brake down. Push it down. Push it. I know I could have do it with my feet. But anyways, I don't want to. Come back over here. Now the car knows that you're not driving. I don't know, why would you sit in your car and play a game? I don't know, maybe because you're just chilling at a gas station or something, or you're just waiting on something, you know? You want to kill some time, play some games. So you go to unblock that. There you go, the game works. Okay, you know. All right, got it, I got it. All right, so we're gonna play. It's functional. Just want to show you guys, it is functional. It is functional. It's functional. Please, come on, dude. Come on, dude. There you go. All right. It worked, yeah. All right, guys. That's how you play games in your 2020 Toyota Camry or 2018. Basically, as long as you got the 8th gen Camry, you can play games in here. But make sure the emergency thing is down. So I'm gonna show you what happened when it's obviously. So like, let's see, it's right here. I'm about to push it back up, and it goes back here. Not available while driving, but you're in park. You need to have your emergency brake down to play games in your Camry. All right. Sorry guys, I'm out this video. Y'all be easy. Or I need to come up with an outro or something. Anyways, y'all just take it easy. All right. I'm out. Like, subscribe, comment, share my video everywhere. Do it. All right, guys, I'm out this video. Peace.